Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to charge your phone using your speaker JBL Boombox 4. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. Now, if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Then, at the back side of your speaker, we have the plug with the model name. You need to open this plug, and right here we have USB-C port. Did you see it? So, near to the charging port we have this USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable to this port and the second USB-C cable to your phone. Now we should turn on the speaker, so at the top we have power button. Press one time at this button. We just turn on it and as you can see my phone starts charging from the speaker. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!